nozzle spray? Oh my gosh. That is the worst thing I've ever seen. Elmino would use this to spray in his eyes at night.
What?
Because he can't sleep. Oh boy. What does this contain? Oh, heart disease? Oh. Oh, I meant, sorry, sir.
Hang on, wait.
I'm a hair cutter.
My name is... Oh, that was bad.
Yeah, what's wrong with you?
Magic!
Okay, when you're ready. My name is the Iron Gauntlet, and today I hope to get some very evil items.
My name is Alan.
Wait! Okay, Ricky, come here. Hey, you need to get my dad's truck, and then I need you to pop it.
Stupid.
What? Man, a boom boom. Stop, Noah.
Stop, Vicky.
Jesse, no.
Dance.
It's okay. It's all right. We're just at an ice auction.
Get out of here.
It's okay. It's Noah. It's okay, it's alright. Except we're at an auction today. Look into my microphone that I keep in my pants. Wait, I'll keep a microphone.
It's okay, it's alright. Look at my microphone. It's okay, it's alright. It's okay, it's alright. It's okay, it's alright.
Oh! Magic!
Really? Stop. Really? Oh, hang on, not yet. Get the auction! Get the auction!
Okay, that's enough.
Oh my god. Yeah!
What are you doing, Mickey?
No trip.
What?
Turn off the camera, please. Wait. Yeah! Stop.
Mickey, stop acting crazy.
Everybody needs to okay, let's start the auction. Maybe we would if you guys. Can I have some water, Dusty?
Zooming in. No.
Does it have
Oh,
water?
good night.
During halftime, we'll have something to drink. No, please, I need one now. At halftime, if you guys can do this, then you can. Okay, I will, but please.
Oh, there's a magical flute. I bet I could use that for my El Nino
collection.
Okay.
He's reading a book.
Wait, I'm... Okay, I don't know where my hat is. Where's my hat, boys?
I don't know.
Snoop Dogg needs his hat. He needs his fat rat a cat. Are you recording right now? Stop.
Hang on. Stop filming. Where?
I'm not.
Yeah, you are. I heard it.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. I thought you were. Oh, sir. Okay, come over here. I need somebody to film me dancing.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, right here. I need you to stand right here. Okay, no, go over here.
Oh, okay.
And then show me myself when you're done. Okay, bend the camera down a little bit more so I can see myself. Down a little bit more. Okay, good. Now, when you're ready, then you face this way.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, now let's move on to our next locker we got right here.
That's it's that one, right? Was it that one?
Yes!
Okay, I'll
Hang on, we have to do this again. What are you doing?
I'm recording.
Outside. That, man, that would make Mom proud. Oh, I need to buy this. That right there is what I call a box. Man, that would make Mom proud.
Pretty sad,
I
but
don't want any.
You guys were toying around with it.
what are you talking about? I fixed it for you.
I can fix this.
You can.
You are toying.
Let's watch your more chismatic.
Boy, this unit. I can't wait to get my juicy mints on this unit.
Oh boy, let's see what kind of goodies we got in today's auction. A flute? Hey, El Nino, come here. You're not dressed. Wait, I need to put this back. Okay, let's see what else.
Whoa, this is one real juicy cat. Man, oh, this is real juicy. Sky Mall, that's juicy. Another one. Oh, we can learn about Saturn too. Isn't that great, Jesse Pochop? Oh my, this is gonna give me money right here. Tips and Tricks video game code book. Oh, my name is. The